Hi traders, first of all, congratulations to Indian markets on reaches 25,000 mark in Nifty 50 index. This credit goes to all sectors included in Nifty 50 index. Today, first week contract is over in August month. Morning, after gap up by 80 points, just it rises another 40 points and the day high is 25,080. After that, it is consolidated throughout the day as usual behavior in particularly expiry days and closes at just above the 25,000 mark. Today mainly support from HDFC Bank, which is increased 1.43% and closed at 1638 rupees and facing resistance again and again at 1650 level. Today Nifty 50 hero was leading public sector power infra company, that is Power Grid. Creates fresh high after breaks out key resistance 350 level and closed at 361 rupees. Today sector wise top gainer is energy sector, supported by Adani Energy Solutions, Power Grid and Coal India. This index also breaks out the resistance trend line and created fresh high as 44,954. Today's market is one of good example to world markets can see India as a potential markets for world top investors hub. Thank you.